So today I decided to make some fruit candy. I have been fiending for this stuff. Nobody around my way had it, so I decided to make it myself. Right now we're just putting the Jolly Ranchers into the Ninja and we're going to crush them up because they are going to go outside of the fruit candy. And this is the result, and it smells so good, y'all. So now we're going to melt up some sugar, some light curl syrup, and some water. And once it comes to a boil, you're going to cover your strawberries in that, and it's going to give that vibe. Then you're going to cover your strawberries in the crushed up Jolly Ranchers, like so. And then you're going to cover them up with a fruit roll-up. After you cover your strawberries up with a fruit roll-up, you're going to go ahead and cover them up with more Jolly Ranchers. And this is the result. Bussin'.
Ready to make something delicious and sweet? I'm going to show you how to make Tangulu Chinese candied fruits. First, skewer those bad boys by popping those little sticks in the strawberry. Then you're going to add 2 cups of white sugar and 1 cup of water. Stir, and boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's going to bubble up a little bit, but don't be afraid. Just make sure you keep on stirring or else it'll burn. Pro tip, take a spoon, dip it into your mixture, then dip it into ice water. If it hardens, then it's ready. For extra sweetness, double dip those strawberries. Yes, it's okay to double dip in this case. I always double dip anyways because why not? Check out that candy-coated deliciousness. Place them on a baking sheet to sunbathe and they should be ready to eat immediately. So sweet, so good, so delicious, and so easy to make. Hope you enjoy.
I found the easiest candy fruit recipe.
Let's make natural candy. This candy is made from fruits, has only 4 ingredients, and is super fun to make. You can use whatever fruit you like and turn it into candy.
Hey guys, a couple people asked for a tutorial on my candied grapes, so I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. This is also the same recipe for my candied apples, so if you want to note that, I'm going to link 2 accounts down below where I learned and got tips from, etc. But here I'm just washing the grapes, putting them on skewers, and then I put those grapes in the freezer. Makes it a lot easier to dip them later on, but this is what you'll need for the recipe. It's 2 cups of sugar, and then I have half a cup of light corn syrup and half a cup of water. After I'm done mixing that together, I put in white food coloring so that it's a solid color and it's not clear and translucent. This makes it easier to add in colored food dye later. I'm grinding up these Jolly Ranchers for the coating on top after I dip the grapes. Then I can put my sugar on the flame and get it up to 300 degrees. Now I'm adding in my watermelon flavoring and the 2 different color food dyes. You have to work really fast because it hardens up, but if it hardens up, you can always add it back onto the flame and boil it right back to 300 degrees and then take it off and do the same step. And this is me dipping them in the Jolly Rancher mixture. I don't do it to all of them, I only do it to some of them because, you know, variety, dimension, whatever. But this is how it looked at the end. I also put in watermelon candy and some sour strips. But yeah, hope this was helpful.